Hi, this is Litre from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Toyota Camry, stock number 6319. This ran from the 2006 to the 11th 2011. It has a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2AZ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.